it sounds pretty basic, but if you're a money launderer or somebody who finances terrorism, you are not welcome to bank at banks. So every customer a bank is going to onboard, they're going to take a look at them from a risk perspective. Banks will employ a slew of analysts to review documents, to review information on the customers.
It's at a scale that is beyond belief. The volume of transactions that's going through, it's not in the thousands, it's not in the 100,000s, it's not even in the millions, but it's in the hundreds of millions.
And they've got to sift through so much information, and a lot of it is just a check the box, essentially a check the box regulatory exercise.
The nature of work in fraud or in money laundering, most of the work is busy work, false red flags.
You have so much work that your analysts have to do to meet procedures and processes. And what gets lost in that is the risk assessment.
At the end of the day, there's probably 10% of their activities that are the most important true areas of risk.
Criminals are innovative. They're using cutting edge tech to move their funds throughout the system.
Most AML offices understand that there is a need to change. We can't keep throwing bodies at these particular issues with regards to transaction monitoring, client screening, payment screening. There has to be a better way going forward.
Banks and financial services need to innovate because criminals, they're never stopping. To even attempt to get in front of that, we need to leverage AI. We need to leverage machine learning.
The industry needs to move forward.
And that's where our digital workforce comes in.
And we have built our digital workers specifically for these processes, specifically within the financial crimes, sanctions, banking space.
Digital workers will do that busy work. They'll do those level 1 adjudications, right? Get rid of those false positives.
An automated digital-first model actually allows a slew of analysts to focus their attention on those activities that present the most risk to banks.
To actually identify those risks and then have those escalated where they need to be.
Regulators are asking banks to have AI as one of their founding principles.
Regulators, recognize the status quo is unsustainable.
Criminals are innovative, slightly ahead of the curve. So if we stay using the same tools today, then the gap is only just going to widen. Criminals are going to be looking at that and say, okay, we need to up our game. So we have to up our game too.